Hello guys, you're welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your own tech website. All right. So at the end of the day, let's say you're done with the training. You need to set up your own tech website so that you'll be able to, showcase your services to your potential clients. All right. Because sometimes your clients, before they give you a job, they want to see what and what you are into. Like some of them will even request for your previous projects. You want to see the previous projects that you've done so that it will serve as trust that yes, you can do their projects. All right. So we'll start by setting up your own platform where you are going to list out what and what your services are and some of the projects that you'll be doing. You keep on adding them there and your contact information, your address, so that anytime they want to get in touch with you, it will be easy, for them. So without wasting time, I think this is going to be a very long video because we're going to start we're going to do it from start to finish. All right, so without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so I need to go to my browser. Okay, so let me go to my browser. This is the previous website that we imported during our previous video. As you can see, it's still there. So this is the previous website that we imported. You already know how we installed this, and we're just going to continue from there. We'll convert it to our own tech company, our own tech website. All right. So, of course, the URL is already tech.apexfabrics to tell you that this is a subdomain that I'm using. So, what we need to do is we'll start by designing a logo. So, I'm going to be using Macromedia Fireworks to design this logo. So first, before you change anything on this website, you need to, especially pictures, before you change any picture, you need to know the current size of that image. All right, so let's start by editing the header because that is where okay, maybe it's something we can do later. So let's see. This is Terra here. Okay, Terra Tech. Okay, what can we call this? Hmm. Websites. Okay, let's say our company is Tech Genius. Tech Genius is the name of our company. So we're going to give this website, Tech Genius. All right. So we need to generate content that are related to Tech Genius. Okay. So what we need to do is we'll go to GPT to help us do that. So I'll go to GPT, that is ChatGPT. So I'm going to let ChatGPT know that there is a company called Tech Genius. All right. So let's see. Tech Genius is one of the best. Let's see, web design agency in the city of. Then you put the city that you're located. Let's say Kano, in the city of Kano, that deals in web design software development. You can add um let's see. Okay, let's just leave it, and let's just say and general IT solutions. Okay, Tech Genius Solutions or Tech Genius Solutions or Tech Genius Ventures. Let me use solutions. Okay, want GPT to be aware of this. All right, so it says Tech Genius is leading web design agency based in Kano. That okay, let me know if you would like to social media and this. Okay, so what we need to do is, since it has gotten this info, now we'll just tell it to generate generate and about us content for tech genius solution, you know, website. Okay, so you can see it is generating this. Hmm. Our team as our team of skilled professionals specializes in, okay, these are the services. Okay, we're going to ask it to generate something like why choose why choose us. I want it to generate this content. Why choose us? Hmm. Okay. These are contents I will be using. So um yes, I want it to um generate content on why we are different. Why we are different. So it will generate content on that. Okay. I think I'll make it to I don't need it in a list form. Just make it conversational. I don't want it to list it, I just want it to be conversational. Yeah, something like this. This is what I want. I don't want all these bulletins, all this. Okay, so I think we've gotten some info that we can use, right? Okay, so what we'll do is let's start with the footer. I usually start my editing from footer. So yes, I need to edit footer, so I'll go to edit site footer. Also we're going to be editing, let's see, what about the header? I think the header is okay, just the logo that we need to change, right? So we're going to be editing this is the footer. I'll click on edit. So we're going to be editing the header also. So I'll edit this current header. I'll just right click and click on edit in a new tab. Okay, so it's loading. Footer is has opened. So I just need to replace this content with let's see, Atera Tech this sorry at Tech Genius Solution. I think this is okay. I'm going to pick this. Of course, you need to edit. Just read it to ensure that what GPT is giving you is good. So join us. This is, I think this is okay. So here, this is the photo. This is the logo. Now we need to design our own logo, right? Okay. So for you to design this logo, you have to know the exact size of this logo. So this logo, the size is 150 by 60 pixels, right? This is 160 by 50 pixels. So I'm going to open Fireworks. Fireworks. I'm going to open Fireworks. I've already installed Fireworks. Don't worry, you're going to get this in the all-in-one. You're going to get it in all-in-one web development toolkit. So I want to try. Yes. Continue. So the size is 150 by 60. So you just go to file to create a new project. Just go to file, you select new, and you're going to give it the height and width in pixels. So this is 150. The size of that logo is 150 by 60. So we have to create the exact size of that logo so that it will not be bigger than what is there. So we need to just design a very simple logo. So here I'll just put in something like tech genius, right? Tech Genius. I'll highlight this. I'll increase the size. We just want to keep stuff simple. Tech Genius, let's see solutions. Okay, so let me increase the font size. I'll drop that tool, Tech Genius Solution. Okay, so let's make it bold. Let me reduce. Okay, Tech Genius Solutions. So the color of that logo is what? Let's see. Let's check out the color of that logo. This is. Let's take a look at the website. So which color would be suitable for this? Yeah, let's use red and black and red is okay. Black and red is okay. Black, red, black, red, black, red, or blue, black. Blue, black. I think blue, black will be fine. So let's go there. I'm going to minimize this. I'll go back to my Comedia Fireworks. I'm going to make this blue. So to change the color, just come to this. Select the color you're looking for, something like this. This is blue. It's dark blue actually. Something like this, yes. Then we can select red. Let's give this one red. Something like this. I want to increase it a little. Okay. Let's just leave it at middle. So I'm going to highlight everything. I'll click on group. I'm making them, I'm just grouping the image. Now to save this image, just go to file, you select image preview. All right, then you're going to click on export. But before you click on export, you need to change the format. You can see it's on GIF. So we'll change it to PNG. We'll click on OK. Then we'll navigate to where we want to save this. I want to actually save it on, no, let's save it on the desktop. All right, so I'll call it Genius, let's say tech dash logo. I'll call it tech dash logo. Okay, so let's go back to the website. Where is the place we are editing? This is for the header, right? Okay. Now this is, yes, this is, let me close this so that I understand what I'm doing. I want to upload this logo. I'll just click on the pencil icon. Now this is the logo. This is where I need to click to change. I'll just go to upload file, select file, then I'll go to the desktop. I'll go to the desktop, and this is the logo that I want to upload. The logo will come in. I'll just click on select, and the logo is going to be replaced with this, as you can see on the screen. So Tech Genius, of course, I think everything is cool. So here you just need to put in the address of your company, the phone number, and also the email. This is Tech, right? I'm going to change it to change it. Just click on the pencil icon. Then we'll put in this. Let's see, Tech Genius at gmail.com. Okay, this is the Tech Genius email. I think this is cool. Quick link. Yes, resources. I think this is okay. So the footer also, we need to change the footer. So this is instead of Tech Solutions, we're going to give it Tech Genius, Tech Genius Solution. Then I'll just click on publish. Okay, you can change the address if you want to change your map. In case you want to change your map, just click on the pencil icon, and this is the address you just need to change, and you'll be good to go. All right, so I'm done saving. If we go back to our page now and we refresh, we'll notice that we now have changes, on the footer. So this is what we just updated. The copyright info is here. Everything is cool. Now let's work on the header. Let's change the logo that is available on the header. So let's go to header. This is our header. We'll just click on the logo. We'll choose the current logo that we just prepared. I'll click on select and we're good to go. Okay, so we just need to click on publish. If I refresh this page now, this logo will disappear and the new logo will be replaced. You can see. So we have home, we have about, we have services, we have contact. I think we are good to go. So next, I think this, I'm thinking of changing the look of this button. Let me change this. This is header, right? I'll just click on this and the color, I don't like the color, so I'll go to style. I'll go to style and instead of this, I'm going to select a different color. Can we see red? Red, okay. Red is cool. The second color is going to be blue. Let's see. Let's see the combination it brings. I'm going to select blue. This is not okay. Blue. Okay. Let's take a look at this one. Yeah, something like this. So I'll just click on publish. So we are good to go. If I refresh this now, you notice that the button has changed. Okay. So yes, we need to work on the sliders, right? We need to work on these sliders. We'll change this, from TerraTech to Tech Genius. So let's go back to our dashboard. On the dashboard, you're going to see we installed Smart Slider. So I'll just go to dashboard of the Smart Slider. We'll go to dashboard. Now this is the it was the gradient slider that we used. So I'll just click on edit. Now these are the three sliders. So I'll click on edit. Okay, so what we want to edit is the info. So I'll bring this guy here. So it says welcome to TerraTech. Of course, what we have is welcome to Tech Tech welcome to Tech Genius. Welcome to Tech Genius. I think this is cool. So we click on it. Hero text here. So we're going to have something like instead of this, we're going to have Tech Genius. Tech Genius solution is a dynamic and forward thinking. Yes, I think this is cool. So we are good to go with this. We're going to click on save. Now let's go back to slides. We'll move to the second slider. All right, so we are glad you are here. Okay, so I think that is cool. What we just need to do is we'll edit this to Genius, and I'm going to remove error. So we now have Tech Genius solution is a dynamic and forward thinking. Yes. So our services is cool. So we'll click on save. Now let's go to the last slider. Okay, we are the best. Here also, we need to change this to Tech Genius. All right, so just click on save. You can put any text you want to put. These are hero text, okay? So now, yes, I think this is an image that I saw in the media that I would like to use here. Okay, let's just proceed. We'll see how to, when we get to that level, we'll do it. So we now have welcome to welcome to Tech Genius. Yes, we are glad you are here. Okay. We are the best. Yes. All right. I think this is cool. So now we need to work on our services section. Okay. Now for us to do that, we're done editing the headers. We're done editing the footer. All right. So I'm going to I'm going to close this. Okay. I'll also close this. Now what we have is this. All right. So we need to work on this next section, which is what we do. All right, our main service is what we do. So I'm just going to click on edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. Elementor is like your pen that will allow you to, edit, customize any any theme, of your choice. All right, so it has opened in the Elementor mode, so we just need to start editing. So we just click on the section that we want to edit. So this is our main services, which is the red this thing you're seeing. So what we do here, where is it? This is it here. What we do. All right. So I don't like this description that is here. You can add whatever description that you want to add, but I will keep it simple. I'll remove it. So yes, so these are the services that we do. Here also, I don't like this description. I'm going to remove them. I'll click on this. I'll remove. Click on this. Remove all this description. Click on this. But you can put a description of each of the services that you do here. Okay. So I'm just going to leave it simple. So view all services. Yes. Let's see where it leads them to. So view all services is going to take them to the service page. So we need to add, a link, the link URL. Open a link URL. We need to add a link URL here. Now to do that, let's go to dashboard since we are done with the slider. Okay, so I just want to get the link to this view all services. So when we go to this, we just need to click on services and we'll get the link at the top here. So this is the link. I'll just hit Control C. And we'll go back to the home page where we are editing. So under this link, I'm going to paste the URL there so that when people click on view all services, it's going to take them to the services page. Okay, so now I can style this button. I want to change the style of this button. So here I'll just click on this and I'll change this to, okay, I think this is the one I changed to blue. Then the next one is red, right? Can I change it to green? How will it look like? Blue, green, blue, green. I think something like this. You can just play around with the color. Something like this. Okay, so here, um, if you want to get the exact image for this, they strike this during importing of our templates. So for you to get the exact image, what you can do is you can just go to Phlox-Pro, you go to demo importer. All right, so you just scroll down to that same plugin, which is this. You can right click and click on preview. All right, so that it's going to open the demo website, which is this. So the image we're looking for is this one, right? So I can just right click on this. I'll click on save. So I'm going to save this. Let's say as SA. I'm going to save this image there, SA. Now the next image we'll be looking for, like for all this, let's see, save image. You are going to save this as post one. Let's say project. Is it post or project? Yeah, this is portfolio, right? So we can say pro one, that is project one. I'm going to save it as pro one. The next one is pro two. Pro 2. Okay. Next one is Pro 3. Pro 3. Then we have Pro 4. Okay. Now I'm saving them because I want to use them, as we proceed when we get to that section. All right. So now let's go edit. This is the home. Now I want to add this image. I'll just click on it. I'm going to click on this. Then I'll bring in that image that I just saved from, the preview. So let's go to download. I think I saved it in download. Is it on desktop or download? I think it's download. So what did I even call it? SA, I think, yeah. SA. So we now have SA. I'm going to select. You can see it's going to replace this. Cool. All right. So you can see that strike is gone. All right. Our website is gradually coming. So here, what I want to, okay, grow your business with our strategy. I'm going to put it as start your what? Your project. Okay. This is going to be under secondary heading. Grow your business with us. I'm just going to end it there. Grow your business with us. Okay. Description. Then we need to add description. Let's get it from here. Um, let's see. Um, okay. Let's ask this guy to give us something. Let's see. Grow your business with sorry, tech. This is tech genius. Grow your business with tech genius. Yes, it's going to generate something. We'll just get it there. All right, so this is the content. So I'm going to copy this. Whatever content you're copying from GPT, you have to ensure you edit it. All right, so that so I'll just hit on Control V. Let us build a future, for your business. Yes, I think this is cool. So yes, this is cool. We can, you know, try it. Or here we'll just put, instead of try it, we'll just say contact us. We'll just put contact us. Then here we can add something like about us. All right. So here we need to add those links. So the first link is contact us. So I'll go to our page. I'll go to contact page. Then I'll get the URL from here. I'll just copy. Then we'll go back to this and I'm going to add it here. Oh, sorry, this is contact us, right? So let's go back to contact. We'll paste it here. Now, for the about, let's click on about so that it will open that about page. Then we'll copy and we need to paste it on this button. So highlight, we'll delete this one, then we'll paste what we've copied. Okay, so we are done with that. Now, next is our latest project, our portfolio. All right, so this is portfolio. Now, let's give it, instead of latest work, you can just add something like our uh our latest projects. So our latest project, that's the name. Yes, we're going to see how to change all this, but for now we'll just scroll down. For our prices, our advice, you don't put prices section, because you are just starting. Okay, you don't need to put pricing section. There's a reason why. Now I'm going to delete this section. I don't need that section. So latest posts, we'll just keep it simple, and instead of blog, we'll just put our, let's see, our blog posts. Okay, this is our blog. Then latest post, this is okay. The body description, I'm going to remove them. Only the title is enough. So we're going to add all these posts. Don't worry about that. Yes, there's another section that says what people say, about that. These are the testimonials, right? You can decide to leave this or you remove them. Okay, so in case you want to leave them, you just need to click here, testimonials, what people say, not people, what our clients see, what our clients say, okay, what our clients say. So we need to delete this. Now, if you want to leave this, so you can edit this section, but I think we need to delete this. I'll delete that. Now, if you want to leave this section, what you do is, um, for the image, you can change the image. Let's say you can get, for now, you don't have any, we don't have any clients. We've not worked for anybody before. But what you can do here is you can use your respected friends, photos, maybe your auntie's photo, or maybe some of your uncle is running a business, and they are matured, right? So you can tell them you want to use their picture, on your website, all right? So it's just formality, so that when people come, they'll notice that, wow, you've already worked for like three people before, and they're giving good comments, about your work. So that's the reason why you need to add clients testimonials. All right. So if you really want to do that, you just need to um, choose what you want to use as your photo. You need to get a photo that you want to use. I don't have any photo here, but then you can just talk to your uncle or your auntie or your big sis, your big brother, that you want to use their photo for testimonial section. All right. So, but for the content, you can see this is image, then this is content. All right. So, to get this content, you just need to go to GPT. You understand? You tell GPT, generate, let's say, 6 testimonials, for tech tech genius services. All right, so GPT is going to generate this for you. Can you see? Um, so I'll pick the first one. This is it. I'm just going to pick the first one. So go to the home page. The content is here. So I'll just highlight and replace this. Okay, can you see? Yes, the name is also there, but you can put Nigerian name, please. Just put Nigerian name. Put Nigeria name. Put Nigeria name. I will still tell you, put Nigeria name. All right, so this is okay. This is content. For the name, this is the name. You can put something like this is a lady, right? It's a lady, so you can put let's say, which lady name will I use? Let's use Chiamaka John. Okay, this is Chiamaka John. You don't need to put the title or the occupation. Remove it. It's not compulsory. Okay, this is from Chiamaka John, and let's say we want to style, what's it called? The review. No, sorry, the rating. We want to style the rating. We want to change the color from this to. I want to give it something blue. I want to give it this color. Yeah, I think it's cool. Okay. So next is, why is it not reflecting? Let's refresh. I'm going to publish this, then we'll refresh to see what we have. So I will go to home page. So let's scroll down. This is what we have: SEO, web design, SEO, security, data security, mobile app. So scroll down. This is what we added. You can see latest projects. We're going to work on this. So let's scroll down to latest posts. We'll work on this later. Then yes, this is where we are. All right. So a tech genius solution completely transform our online presence. Of course, that is what we added. Now let's go back to what we're doing. Fill color is this. Let's take a look at the, yeah, why is it not empty color? We'll leave it empty. I think it will take time to propagate. So let's leave it for now. Now let's move to the next one. The next one, we'll go to content. This is the photo, yes. Now the next testimonial is this. So I'm going to copy it. So we'll go to content section, we'll select and we'll replace it with what we have. Now this is also a lady, but I advise you to mix lady, male, sorry, male, female, male, as in just mix them up. So this is who is this? I don't know. Which name should I give this one? Let's say Miriam Ali. Okay. Then we'll remove the occupation. All right. So you can just change the photo. Just click on image and the photo will change. Okay. Just select what you want to use, as the photo. You can decide to pick this guy and it's going to replace that lady there. So just put the face of a lady. And let's say this one want to change the photo. Just click on image and you select what you want to select. You're good to go. All right. So these are the photos. Now next is this, right? Let's go to content. We'll pick the next one. Number 3 says this. Okay, let's go to edit with Elementor. We're going to highlight and paste. Okay, let's change let's go to review. Is it rating or review? This is rating. Let's take out review. Review is this. This is okay. Okay, so now we need to change this. What I love most about working with, okay, I think we've changed all of them. So just need to change this photo if we want. Let's get a photo to add there. There is no photo. There is no photo. Let me add this one there. Okay, but ensure you get these photos from elderly people. So here we need to remove the we need to go to, sorry, the name is, what's the name self? Emeka. Let's give this one Emeka Chidi. Emeka Chidi. Then we'll remove the occupation. All right, so we're good to go. We'll just click on publish and that section is done. As you can see, we are done with this what's it called, the home page is almost done. What is left is just for us to work on the latest product and, sorry, latest project and the post. All right, so we're done with the home page for now. Now what we need to work on is, let's go to the site, let's refresh. So this is what we have: web design, mobile app development. This is the content. These are the projects. These are the posts. These are the clients testimonials, and boom. So now let's go back. Let's go to about us. We need to edit this section also. So about us section, we just need to edit few stuffs here. So let's go. We'll just click on edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. Elementor is our main tool here for customizing any kind of website. All right, so we already have, I think we did this in our previous video. I'm going to delete this. delete. So I'm going to leave this photo. I think it's cool. So about us, Terra Tech. Instead of Terra Tech, this is Tech Genius. Tech Genius. Okay, about us. This about us needs to, okay, about us. We need to have space here. So yes, this is cool. Now we need to copy our content from when we say this system should generate, we told AI to generate about us for Tech Genius, right? So we're going to just get the content here. You can get this. Go back to, sorry, about, we're going to add this content here. All right, if you notice that the content is too long, what we need to do is we still have work to do, right? So let's take a look at the padding of this. To check out padding, first of all, it's on full width, good to go. So padding, this is left padding is on, that is on 20, sorry, 10. Okay, let's take a look at this. What's the padding size? This is width. We'll give it full width. Yes, I think this is okay. Then full width is this. Full width is this. Then let's take a look at this. Center, let's give it start. Margin left. Let's reduce this to C. Okay, I think this is cool. All right, so you can see we're getting it. Let's remove the, yeah, let's remove this. I think this is cool. Or we can just add one. One is okay. So you can see our team has killed. No, no, no. Let's reduce. I think the content is too much, so we're going to reduce it. So I'll click on this. I'll go to content and we're going to remove this dash. So we're going to remove this services part. Okay, yeah, I think it's okay like this. Let's build something together. Instead of try it now, contact us. Contact us. So we just put contact us. Now the URL to that contact us is what we need to add. Okay. So we'll click on contacts, then we'll get the URL. Control C, Control C, contact, where is the link? Yes, you can actually pick the link from here. So put contact and we're good to go. Or you can just cancel this and you put the link yourself. All right, so I think we're good to go. Now let's scroll down. Why choose us, right? Yes, so this is Tech Genius. Tech Genius. Why choose us? I think we've generated content regarding that. So we'll scroll down. Why choose us, right? So we need to just, we cannot pick everything, but let's just pick like three. Okay, we'll just go to this and we'll go to description. We're going to highlight everything and paste this. Why choose us? This is what we have. We can delete this button. We'll just keep this and we'll say contact us. Our goal is for them to keep on contacting us. We want them to contact us because it is only when they contact us that is when we get project, right? So we'll go to link, we'll paste the link here. You must contact us, that will get the job done. So let's go back to this second description. You can remove this icon. Let's remove this. Remove this. Yeah, I think it's good this way. Or we can even remove all these headings. I'll remove all these headings. Remove all these headings. All this. Yes, I think it's better this way. So let's scroll down. What do we have here? We work to understand our customer. Yeah, these are our projects, right? Different projects. This is cool. We work to understand our customer. Yes, this is okay. Can pick up something here, and why we are different, right? Can pick up something like this here and add it up here. Description, Control A, Control V. Okay, we can delete this. We don't want more text. So here we have digital marketing. So digital marketing, branding. Just remove what is here. I don't like this much content. Remove what is here. Just leave the icon and the title. I have content. I have 24-hour support. We delete this graphic design. You're into graphic design, you're into web design, a lot of stuffs. Okay, so um try us. You have to contact us, please. Contact us now. So here you just put the contact link, the link to the contact page, just paste, then we are good to go. All right, so how many projects completed so far? Just click here, and instead of 48, let's give it something. Let's say, you're just starting, so put something like 6. You understand? So that they will not think you are lying. All right, so we're going to delete this one. We'll put, yes, you can put something like um try, yeah, you can put something like try us today. All right, so here you put the contact, so that will contact you. Let's go Control V. We're good to go. Now, next project launched. Um, this is, let's get the content we can use here. Uh, Time delivery, reliability, customer approach. Okay, we understand that every business is unique. Just copy this. All right, take your time and prepare a content that you can use. Just using this GPT directly because there's no time for me to, sit and edit the content. Okay, I think we've already added our team section. Team. Yeah, I think this is cool. So what you can do is you can drag this theme up, can drag this section, can drag it to this angle here. Okay, you can just click and drag. It's very easy. Let's say this is where you want to, where is it? Okay, Control Z. All right, this is where we are, right? Let me publish this first. So I want to drag this. Okay, I thought this is section. I want to drag this section to this angle. Let me see. It should move from where it Yes, I've moved that section. Now I want to take it up. I want to take it up a little. I want it to appear, let's see here. All right, I think this is okay. Why choose us? This why choose us. Meet our team. All right, so you can edit your team as usual. You put, these are your team members, right? You put your photo. You can add up all this or you delete them. Social media, whatever, you can delete them by just clicking on this. It will disappear. So you just leave only the name. So you go to contents. You type in. Let's say you are Musa Ibrahim. Okay, you are a, let's say, CEO. All right. Then you put your image. To put your image, go to image section. You select the image you want to use. So you can put your image here. So let's say, okay, it's a guy, right? So you add up this. So the next person is let's see, um Rabiat Ali, co-founder, right? So you can disable the social media icon if you want to. Then the next person is who? Let's say Matthew Joseph. No, John Matthew, co-founder also. So we want to delete the social media icon. This one is like this is Esther um edits, product manager, or you can just put this on CTO or graphic design, anyone. Just click on social media, want to disable them. So just to make it uniform, right? So this is cool. This is we work to understand our customer. This is okay. So now let's go. Yeah, let's put this in the middle. Let's take this to the middle, in between this team section and this, so that we'll have something to, you can see this is white background, this is blue background, white background. Yeah, this makes the sections to look good. So click on publish. We're done with about us. We're done with about us. Let's preview it. So if I click on about us here, you're going to see this is what we have. Yes, this is awesome. Click up. Now what we need to work on is the services page. So we can click this, we can close that. What we need to work on is the services page. All right, so these are the list of services. There's nothing to work to check here, but let's take a look at it. So I'm going to click on edit with Elementor, and this is the templates, the original templates. We'll go to service section, and there is an image here. There is this image here that we need to download. Save image as, let's save it as NNNN. Under download, we'll be needing that image. Okay, now let's go to services section. So this is the image that I was talking about. So click on it and we're going to upload the image we just downloaded. NNNN, open. So click on sets. It's still loading. Oh, the network is for, I think it's still loading. Let's upload it again. Okay, I think it's done. So just click on set. All right, now there's another image here. There's another image here. Background. Okay, we're going to take a look at it. So get inspired with to let us, this is our services, right? We're just going to change this to, we'll keep it simple, our services. Our services. So I'll remove this. Okay. So we'll just look for a text to add up here. Your satisfaction, of course, is our everything. Under description, we'll just paste this here. Okay. So delete this. I'll put something like contact us. Right, so we have contact us. Let's open our new. Then we'll go to contacts. We need to get this link. Then we'll come here and add up the link. Okay, I think this is cool. Now next is for us to scroll down. This is not platform-based technology. This is Tech Genius. Tech Genius solution. Okay, we'll scroll down what we do. All right, what we do, services we offer. Under description, we'll clear it. We're going to clear description. Then here we have branding strategy. We have web design. You can put your text here, or you just leave it here. We put software development. You remove the text that is here. You can put, let's say, digital marketing. Remove this. You can put something like graphics design. Remove this. You can put, these are different services. IT training. Okay, sorry, you cut this. This is where it's supposed to be. Then you will go to the next one and you put general IT solutions. Control A. Then you can delete this column. If that is all, you can just right click and click on delete. So our services section is set. All right, so this we need to add this image here, or you can just delete this. You can delete, sorry, Control Z. This is what I want us to delete. Let me save this to see. X, 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 X. Let's see if we can come up with that. Where is that? Okay, this is the place we are editing. If I undo this, Ctrl Z. Let's see if we can get that picture that I just downloaded. Which one is XXX? Let's see. It will come in, then we'll just, yeah, I think that is it. Okay. That means it's another one. We just need to, let's do Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Yes, so the two are here. So I'll click on this one. This is XXX. Then there's another one here. What did I even save that? Is it NNN or what? I've forgotten what I saved it with. Which, okay, I think this image was here before. So let's go back to, let's download this one, save. This is CXXX. I'm just saving them so that I'll easily get them. Go to upload, select CXX, this is it. Then we'll click on, yes, we'll click on set. So it's going to replace what we have here. So as you can see, our services section is good to go. All right, if you check out the tablet view, this is the tablet view, awesome. Tablet view is cool. Let's check out the mobile view. This is the Android view. Everything is nice. Everything is okay. This is what we call a stunning website. Branding and strategy. There's something we need to check out. So let's check out what is that branding. General IT solution. I thought I've deleted this. So let's delete this column also. So I'll click on publish. So that settings have been saved. Now let's go to the next part, which is this blog. Of course, this is not where we're going to edit it. We'll do it later. Let's work on the contact us. So this is the contact us page. Now what we need to do is we need to just, we'll click on edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. So our services section is done. We just need to clear this and go back to home page. This is blog. What's happening? Okay, since we've already we are here already, we just need to, this is post. Okay, description, I don't like description, I'll delete it. So secondary heading, latest post. Here we can put our latest post. Yes, this is cool. Okay, so this one is not something we can edit here. So there are a lot of posts here. This is the only thing we can do here. We'll just click on save. All right, we're going to take care of this. Now let's go back to home. Now we'll go to contact us. In this contact, we'll go with edit with Elementor. We need to provide contact information so that people will be able to get in touch with us. So now we need to do contact us. Okay, contact us. Description is what we need to remove. So now contact us, stay in touch with us. Okay, this is cool. All right, so here we'll put in the address, Monday to Friday. This is working hour. Why is it like this? So let's go back to our footer. We have our details here. So the address is this. This is our address. We copy it. Then where it says address, um, where it says address, we click on content and we're going to okay. We're not going to replace it. We're going to paste. Then we'll copy this. We'll cut. Then we'll come to where it says working hours. We'll now paste this. Control V. Yes, from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to, I don't understand, 9 a.m. to, let's say, 5 p.m. p.m. 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Sunday, 9 a.m. to, let's see, let's see, 4 p.m. All right. So next is our phone number. We need to add our phone number. Let's get our phone number here. We need to add our phone number there. Where's the place we're working? Um, no. I think instead of phone number, we're going to change this to contacts. Contacts info. So contact info is going to be both phone and email. I'll select this. We'll go to edit contact and of course Control A, Control V. Wow. No, no, no. Okay. Let's do it one after the other. So I'm going to copy this. So Control V. Then we'll go back to the store. We'll copy this, which is the email. And we're going to add BR. BR is what will make the next info to appear at the bottom. So let's say tech genius at gmail.com. So I'll delete this. Okay, so we just need to write. I think this is okay. So I don't need this. I'm going to delete this section. This is a Google map. I need to delete this. Right click and click on delete. So I think I just need only this stuff here. So I'll click on save. Our contact info is done. So if I refresh this, now and we go to contact, you notice that our contact page is set, but then something is wrong. We need to give padding here. Sorry, bottom. Let's take care of this. So this section needs to have um, margin bottom. So I want to give margin, that is space at the bottom, so that this address will show. This you can see this footer is jumping up on the contact info. So what we need to do is we'll go to contacts, edit with Elementor. We'll select that particular section, which is this. Then we'll go to advanced. You can see margin top is here, and we need to give it margin bottom of, let's see, 60. Let's give it margin bottom of 60. Sorry, I think this is 600. 60 is what I want, not 600. 60. Then let's refresh to see what we have. It should jump out now. Yeah, we still need more. It's not enough. 60 is not enough. So I'm going to increase it to like 80. Let's say 80. So let's refresh. We still need more. Wow. So let's give it this is 115. Let's give it 115 also. So I'll save this. Then we'll refresh. It should jump out now. 115 is still small, but everything is coming out. So let's say 120. 120. 120 should be cool. All right, so 120 is okay. 120 is okay. Now let's check out the mobile view. Sorry, the tablet view. This is the tablet view. Tablet view is okay. What about the mobile view? Mobile view is fine. Everything is okay. So we'll just go back to desktop view. Now, I think we are done with contact section. Now let's take a look at the portfolio. What do you have on your portfolio section? These are the portfolios. Yes, there are some pictures we downloaded that we need to just add right in the portfolio. So let's quickly do that. Now to do that, we need to go to our dashboard. Then on the dashboard, you're going to see where it says portfolios. This is it here by the left hand side, portfolios. Click on all portfolios. The first one is this, so we just need to click on edit. Click on edit. Okay, when you click on edit, wait for this guy to load. You're going to see image here. We'll click on replace. Now we need to bring in those images that we downloaded. I think this is Pro 1, Pro 2, Pro 3, Pro 4. These are the projects that we downloaded from the original template, right? So, but here, this is where you put in your real projects. All right, I'm just doing this because I just want to show you the process of how this is being done. So click on save. It has been saved. So we'll go back to all portfolios. We'll move to the next one, edit. Okay, we'll click on this, replace, pick this, click on set, then click on save. All right, so go back. Now let's pick the next one. So in your own, when setting your own portfolios, you need to remember to put the title. This is the title of the project. Now, this is where you put in the image of that same project. So let's go with this. I'll click on save. All right, so go back to all portfolios. Then we scroll down. I think this is the next one. We'll click on this. Okay, let's wait for the image to load. So click on this to replace. Pick this. I cannot add all the portfolios, right? I'm not showing you how to do this. So just click on save. Okay, so let's go back to all portfolios. Okay, so these are the remaining portfolios. I cannot, change them, but let's see. We can just add we can just add any of those pictures. But I don't just want this video to be that long. That is why we'll still put this one. No, let's put this one or this one. I just want to mix them up so that it will appear as if we have a lot of portfolios, right? So in your own case, you just put design one or two websites. You already know how to design websites, so you just design one or two websites using what's it called, free tools like free hosting and domain. Just design and you get screenshots. All right, so that you can upload. They will serve as your portfolio. You don't have to buy domain and hosting. But if you have the money, of course, you can proceed. So let's go. Let this guy open. Change. Let's go with this. All right. So I think this is the last one I'll add. I don't have the time to continue adding. Okay. So let's go back. Let's go back to portfolios. So I'm going to delete the remaining two. I'll just select both of them and I'll go to bulk action here. I'll click on move to trash and I'll click on apply. Okay, so we can also go to trash again. We'll clear them so that we'll have enough space. Bulk action, delete permanently and click on apply. So let's go back to published. So these are the portfolios that are available. So if we come back to portfolios now and refresh, we should see the portfolios that we added. So you can see everything is neat, like they are good. Branding, of course, digital experience, e-commerce. Wow. So this is how the portfolio section works. So what is left for us to work on is the blog, right? The blog section. Now, how do we add the blog section? It's very easy. Mm, let's go to the dashboard. And on the dashboard, you're going to see we have, let's go to posts. Yeah, go to all posts. Now you can see these are the posts that are available. So you can tell GPT here, where is GPT? You can tell GPT to generate, generate, let's say 6. So you tell it detailed posts for tech, uh, genius, you know, web design, web design agency. So GPT is going to generate this post for you. Okay. I think it's making it short. So we're going to just tell it make it more detailed. Okay, you can see the text is now much. So what we're going to do here is we'll just highlight this. So we'll go to our posts, we'll edit the first one. We're going to edit the first one, and the title of the post is this. This is the title of the post. I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to highlight this, and I'll add the title that I copied from GPT. So what is the content? Of course, you are expected to edit this post and humanize it, not to just leave it just the way I'm just copying and paste. You are expected to have edited it, you understand, to suit in what you want. So I'll highlight this, I'll delete, then I'll paste the content. All right, so I'll just click on save. Now let's take a look at this. We have let's click on this. Something I'm looking, yeah. So I'm looking for this image. All right, so let me go back so that you see what I did. So you can see we have post, we have block, right? For I think it was on block. So let me close this. Yes, this is how it was before. So if you click on this view, I'm sorry, this guy, if you click on this icon, then you're going to see post and block. So select post, then it's going to show you the dates that the post was published, the slogan, and whatever. So all you'll be interested on is the picture. We want to replace that picture with something else. So you can put something like this. All right. Then we'll click on save. Now that post will be saved. If we come here and refresh, if that particular post is here, you're going to see it will change. This is it. So can you see? But the date is showing April 21, 2019, right? So you can see we need to work on the date. So click on publish date. Then we need to work on by in which month? May, June. I think we're in May. Yeah, we're still in May. So here May, this is May 2025. So I'll put 2025. Then 2025, then we'll give it a date. I think this is 31st. So just give it 31st. This is the day that we're posting this, right? So click on save. Now if we go back to that post now and we refresh, you notice that that date will change. Okay, it is not here because I think, where is the posts? Anyway, we're going to get access to the posts. We can just right click here and click on view posts. You can see this is the post. and the date is here. All right, posted by admin, and the category is uncategorized, right? So this is how it works. Now let's go back to posts. Let's add another post. Go back. I think this is the last thing we're doing on this platform. So we'll move to the next one. Let's go to GPT and get the next post. Still doing whatever, copy, paste, sorry, copy. Then we'll highlight this. So add your title. You can change your image. Put in the image you want to put. Then we'll get the text content, the post content. All right, Control A, Control V. Then of course you need to work on the date, right? So instead of block, you click on post. Okay, we've changed the image. Now let's work on the dates. All right, this is 2025. And this is April, right? Are we in May? I think it's May. So let's give this guy 30. We'll click on save. So that post has been added. We'll click on save. It's saving. All right, it's done saving. Now let's go back to all posts. The next one is this. We'll edit. Let's go to our box here. Copy, edit this. All right, so we're going to copy this text. We'll clear. Then we'll add up the details here. Control V. Then we need to go to post. We'll replace this image. Okay, so we need to get an awesome image. Let's go. So we'll change the dates. 2025. 2025 May. Sorry, May, not June. May. May what? May 31st. So click on publish. Save. So I think this is the fourth one, or how many? Let's go back. This is the fourth one, or the one, two, three. All right, so I think this is the fourth one that we'll be doing. And I think I'll make it the last one. So you can add as many as you want. So I'm just going to add something like welcome to, sorry, Tech Genius, Tech Genius Solutions. All right, so I'm going to make this the most recent. So let's see, what we need to have here is what should I use? Let me use this lady. All right, so we need to have, I'm going to have the intro to, yes, I'm going to have this. So I'll highlight, delete, and paste this. So now click on, have we changed this? We've not changed the date, right? So this is May, and this is 2025. Okay, this is 30th, no, 31st. So click on save. So we are done adding this posts. So next, what we need to do is I'm going to delete every other post. All right, I don't have time to delete, but I don't have time to edit them. So I'll go to bulk action and move them to trash. Apply. So all of them will be deleted. So I now have one, what? One, two, three. Now I think I'm supposed to have more than ah Still doing business. Yeah, I think this one is still, yeah, this is part of what we need. It's supposed to be 4. So I'm going to restore this. So I'll click on restore. Okay. So I'm going to delete every other one. Delete, apply. So if I go to all posts now, all posts I should have 4. Yes. So I think we are good to go. If I go to blog and I refresh this now, I should have 4 posts. But okay, I think what was added here is based on category. So what I need to do is I'll edit with Elementor, but then I need to know the uncategorized. Okay, tag is blog. Let's see. Let's see what is happening here. All categories. Let's add uncategorized. Okay. All categories. So I'll click on publish. Now let's go to blog section. What is happening? What is happening? Let's see. Quick edits. Where's the category? Let's go to business. Updates. Quick edits. Let's go to business updates. The next one is quick edits. I'm giving them category of business. Quick edits. Updates. Okay. So now I need to go to this and add category of business. If it doesn't show up, then number of posts to show. Sorry. Publish. Ah, okay, let's check out homepage. You can see these are our projects. Something is wrong with our post, right? We need to fix this. And this is the only stuff left for us. Uh, uh, something is wrong somewhere. Latest post is giving us issue. Yeah, but then what is wrong? Okay, it's on schedule, right? You can see schedule. I think that is what is causing the issue. So let me edit this. They are all on schedule. That's the reason why. So status, let's make it publish. I will click on publish. Publish. So go back. You can see this one is one is published. So let's use quick edit to see. Is there schedule here? Yeah, instead of schedule, click on, okay, this is for comments. Um, we cannot do it quickly here. So we need to just edit on schedule, update. So let's go to the second one and just edit. Any post that is still on schedule, it's not going to be visible. So we have to go to publish and make it public. Saving. So go back. We have to make sure that they are on publish. So that's modified. Sorry, not quick edit. This is schedule. So I'll go to edit, schedule. I'll change it to publish and we'll click on publish, publish. We're good to go. So let's go. It's saving. It's done saving. So the last one, publish, publish, publish. Let's check out the last one. This is on draft, right? So we need it to be on publish. So click on publish, publish. It's saving and done. So when we refresh this now, we're going to see all of them. Yes, as you can see, these are the latest posts. They are all here. So change this one to 2. Click on save. You can see all the posts are available. Now if we go to the blog section, these are all the blogs that we have. Okay, so this is easy, just like as simple as ABCD, right? So to edit this is very, very easy. So now if we go to home, you notice that this logo is still showing instead of our own logo. But if we go to the home page, we now have the Tech Genius logo. So how do we change this quickly? Now let's go to edit header and footer. This is the current header. This is the home header. All right. Now we'll go to site header. Site header is like the general header for other pages. So we'll go to edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor, and we're going to add up that logo. So this is the logo. We'll change this. This is going to be done in customize. It says your site has gone into critical whatever. So let's go to customize from what? Let's go. Cannot. We cannot edit this. Let's go to appearance. Appearance we should have customized. Wow, this is serious. FM key. Why is it customized? Okay, we're actually going to do that in customize. All right, in customize section. So customize. Why is it not going? There has been a critical error on this site. Please check your site admin email inbox for instruction if you continue your problem with this. Something is wrong with I don't know, maybe it's the network or something. But then this is the home. Okay, so I think for now what we'll be doing is we're done with this header. Not yet done, but at least halfway done. Now what we need to do is let's go to the dashboard and add up something like WhatsApp button so that people can chat us directly from the website, right? So go to plugins. Yes, under plugin we'll go to add plugin. So go to add plugin. So we're going to add social chats. This is a plugin that will allow us to integrate the chats, WhatsApp chat in our system, that is in our website. So I'll install it. It's done installing. I'll just activate. Okay, so next is just for us to scroll down. We're going to see social chats. This is it. So we select the button. There's a button here. Click on button. So this is where you input the phone number. That is your WhatsApp number. So in this case, I'm going to add up a WhatsApp number. So let me just type it here. It starts with 234, of course, Nigerian code. If your code is different from 234, that is Nigerian code, then you need to input yours. Then you put your WhatsApp number, 8181325641. So this is my WhatsApp line. I'll just copy this and I'll go to here and I'll paste. So that WhatsApp number has been added. So yes, how do I want this? You can see WhatsApp button is here. If we refresh our page now, once we refresh our page, you're going to see we have WhatsApp button here. All right. So it says, how can you, oh, sorry, how can I help you? Yeah. So what I need to type here is, let's say, hello, tech genius solutions. Okay. We just want to put something like, I I need your services. Okay. I need your services. We'll select this. All right, so let's go back to this. Where we need to put this is where it says message, hello, whatever. So we'll paste this there. Okay, so next is we're going to remove how can I help you, where it says text. So you can see we have how can I help you. This is it here. So we'll remove it and we just need only the WhatsApp button. Now, the layout of the button, I don't like it to appear like this. I want it to be round. So I'll select, instead of button, it will be bubble. All right, yes, I think I love it this way. So next is the direction. Where do we want this to be? If I refresh this website now, you notice that it will change, and this is how it will look like when people scroll. If you want it to be at the middle here, we can actually change it by going, we'll just scroll up. Can you see position? It says bottom right, right? You can take it middle left, middle right, bottom left, bottom right. So I think I'll take it to middle right, okay? So if we go back to our platform and we refresh this, you notice that the WhatsApp button, is now at the middle right. Something like this. I think this is cool. Okay, so guys, this is how easy it is to set up your web, your tech platform. Yes, let's check out this. So what I'll do is, let me close all this. I'm going to close all these tabs. Okay, I'll close all these tabs. I'll go to tools. This is the cPanel. Then I'll go to WordPress Manager by Subtaculous. I'll log in from here. This is tech. Okay, so let's go to, there is let's go to general. There is settings, general. It's something we need to change. So you can see it's showing e-com store. All right. So we need to change the title of the website, which is Tech Genius. So here we need to change the description because it's not an e-commerce site. So we'll just put something like Tech Genius is an IT is is a is one of the best web design agency in the city of Kano, Nigeria. Okay, so here we can change this logo, change icon. So I'm going to put this, where is our icon? This is it here. So I'll click on change. I'll click on sorry. This is, let me change this. Where is it here? This is it. Set icon. I'm supposed to see skip cropping as an icon, set icon overview. This that. Okay, so I think I'll just arrange it this way. We'll click on crop. Okay. What again? The admin email, if you want to change it, you can actually change the admin email to whatever you want, to have. You can put a functional email. Uh 1284 gmail.com. If your site has to do with membership, like that is registration, you can click on anyone can register. But for now, of course, my site doesn't need that. So we'll leave it like that. So I'm just going to click on save changes. You notice that it has changed from eStore to Tech um, Genius. So let's go to appearance. Let's go to customize. Wow, this guy doesn't want to allow us change that logo. So, but I think let's view what we have. So you can see this is the home page. We have menus here. Yes, we have you can see slider. This is image slider, awesome image slider. We have okay, let me just log out. I'm going to log out, from the WordPress dashboard now. I'll just go to the site. Okay, so I'll close this. So this is the complete site. We are done with the development, right? So this is the complete site. What we do, these are the services we render. You can go to view all services, contact us about us, our latest projects, latest posts, our clients, testimonials, Google Map. This is a footer. So we did all this from start to finish. Let's go to about. This is it here. These are the team section. Okay. Services. This is the services section. Web design, software development, digital marketing, graphic design, IT training, and DLX. This is the blog section. Our latest posts. Okay. I have contacts. This is the contact info. I have portfolio. This is where you put in your projects you've completed. Then that was the last. You can switch, navigate through e-commerce. Then the last one is the phone number. So you can also test the WhatsApp button. It will redirect them to their WhatsApp and they'll be able to send you message, right? Directly from the WhatsApp. You can see it's trying to load WhatsApp. All right. So as easy as ABCD. This is how it works. So guys, I believe with this video you'll be able to set up your own tech company website. In fact, that is my goal. That is our goal. Our goal is to ensure that you pass through the process of the web design training, and at the end of the day, you come up with a well-designed, stunning website that, and you can also handle different projects for yourself and for your clients. All right. So your first task is for you to design this tech website for yourself, so that you list out your services and you also have the online presence that you deserve. All right. So guys, I believe you got a lot of value in this video. In fact, from the one till this time. All right. If you did so, please give this video a thumbs up, and most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more amazing videos like this. Looking forward to, yes, for you to get this toolkit. I think I'll drop the link on the video description. I'll drop the link in the video description for you to get access to this toolkit. That is the theme that we used in developing this platform. All right. So I think that is it. Bye for now. My name is Abdullah Isani. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Bye for now.